Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install MPPS version 13.02 on a Windows 10 computer. Select Install File, Basic Installation. Note the folder to where it installs. It's not going to work if you get this. It's because you did not install the drivers yet. You must have the MPPS cable plugged in to install the driver. To install the drivers, go to Control Panel / Devices and Printers. Right click on Amped Flash and click Properties under the Hardware tab and install the drivers from C/MPPS/device drivers. Click OK to install the driver. Click Yes to allow it to use that software. Open the MPPS program using Run as Administrator, and it's going to error out because the driver signing is still enabled. So now what you want to do is go down to the Start menu and hold the Shift button while clicking Restart. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot, on Advanced Options, and then on Startup Settings. Now you want to click on Restart. After it restarts, you want to hit F7 to disable driver signature enforcement. After restart, we will see that our device is working properly. Right-click on the MPPS program and select Run as Administrator. When the program opens, you can see all the options for the ECU type you wish to read or write to. If it still gives you the update screen, you may have to check and disable antivirus that may prevent this program from working. Thank you for watching.